Today I'll be walking you through how to use Notion, a powerful all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and collaboration. We'll cover the basics of setting up your account, creating pages, using templates, and collaborating with your team. Let's get started. First, let's create your Notion account. Go to notion.so and click on Let's Get Started. You could sign up with your email address or use your Google account for quicker access. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Notion interface. On the left sidebar, you'll have your workspace and any shared or private pages. The main area is where you'll view and edit your pages. The top menu has options for search, updates, and settings. To create a new page, click on the plus icon next to private or your workspace name in the sidebar. Give your page a title and start typing to add content. You could drag and drop your pages in the sidebar to organize them into folders or subpages. Notion offers a variety of templates to help you get started. Click on Templates in the sidebar, browse through the available options, and click Use this template to add it to your workspace. You could customize the template by adding, removing, or rearranging blocks. Notion uses a block system for content. Click the plus button that appears when you hover over below to add a new content. You can add text, headings, to-do list, images, tables, and more. Click on a block to edit it, or drag it to move it around the page.